VoKit Image Effects Creator. So here is the app. VoKit is an AI-powered creative app that lets you transform photos and videos into eye-catching, share-worthy content, all in just a few taps. Whether you want to animate a still photo, replace characters in a video, try fun AI filters, or create entertaining vibes, swap clips, VoKit gives you powerful tools wrapped in a simple, intuitive experience. So photo to video, character and face replacement, AI filters and effects, fast and easy, made for fun creativity, privacy first, AI video, AI image, new trends, custom creation. Then you can just tap get and just double click to install it. So then you can just open it up and just continue. And then from here you can select different templates and then just create from them, do it yourself, character swap, AI video, AI image, coins, you can just buy coins. So another kind of AI app which you can use, there is yearly subscription, which is quite cheap. It's $30, weekly is just $8. Then there is a deal. If you want to upgrade, you can upgrade for $25 per year. And that's it.